Hozir nima topib olganimni aytsam ishonmaysizlar. Bu haqida ko'p gapirmaganman, lekin men har doim o'zimning hayotimni bloknotlarga yozib kelaman. Bu meni hozirgi ushlab yurgan digimlikim. Bu yoqda hamma narsa bor. Odamlar menga gapirishgan gaplar, men bilan bo'lib turgan narsalar, menga qilingan nohaqliklar. Hazırlashyapman. Yo'q, o'zim вообще sezib turgan narsalarimni hammasini shu yoqqa yozaman-da. Va hozir 2021-yilda yozgan digimlikimni topib oldim. 2021-yil tushunishingiz uchun. Bu yoqda men hamma narsani inglizchada yozaman, chunki kichkina bo'lgan paytim oyim men digimlikimni ochib hammasini o'qiganlar. Oyim ko'rib turibsiz bilaman. O'tirib hamma yozgan narsalarimni oyim o'qib chiqqanlaridan keyin men inglizcha yozadigan bo'ldim. Oyim tushunmasliklari uchun. Hozir bu yoqda o'tirib 2021-2022-yillarda Farida nima his qilgan ekan, nimalar bilan shug'ullanib yurgan ekan deb o'qib chiqsam, letter to my younger self degan narsani topdim. Bu degani kichkina Faridaga xat degani. Ya'ni 18 yoshli Farida 13-14 yoshli Faridaga xat yozyapti. Mana letter to my younger self. Hozirga shuni o'qib bermoqchiman. I'm going to lose sleep over this. Letter to my younger self. I know you were hurt a lot. I know you were told a lot of mean things. I know that this world convinced you that you are unworthy of love, that there is something wrong with you, that you were not enough. You were so little yet had so many big dreams. You were hardworking, you were strong, sometimes even too strong for a child. Every time you were hurt, betrayed, abandoned by people, you thought that all this suffering is what it takes to reach your goals, to live your dream life, when in reality you were just a child that needed protection, that needed comfort. Sabiris. You didn't need to be the strongest, the number one, the champion. You needed to be a child. You needed to be told that you're human and that no one is perfect. Bu xatni 12-13 yoshli Faridaga yozganimning sababi chunki u paytda men hali endi Toshkentga ko'chuvdim. Bu yoqda hech kimim yo'q edi. Bitta o'zim bo'lib qolgandim. O'shuning uchun ham o'sha paytda qiyin bo'lgan deb o'ylab 18 yoshimda 12-13 yoshli Faridaga xat yozibman. Bro.